Zach and Catherine, may your life together be health and love and peace. May you be honest with each other and with yourselves, sharing your truth with kindness and courage, that your love may grow in depth and maturity. May you be there for each other in times of grief and struggle, holding each other close in comfort, drawing strength and vision from each other and from those around you. May you enjoy the gift of laughter, especially at yourselves. And may you be able to remember the joys of life, even in the face of disappointment and sorrow. May your home be filled with happiness as it is joined with the lives of others, and as you grow closer to each other in your shared journey. And may each of us here today find renewed hope for ourselves in your commitment to one another, affirming the goodness inside each of us as we affirm the goodness of your marriage. Zach and Catherine, receive this blessing and carry our love with you. Call upon us in times of need and cross this threshold into your new life together in grace and peace.